Hello everyone. Starting off, I would like to thank our incredible principal for her speech and the impeccable band. They're definitely going to be hard acts to follow, but I'll try my best in my speech. It's been 3,216 days, 459 weeks, 105 months, and 9 years since we first stepped into that sunlit school year. I still vividly remember the first day of school, bathed in warm sunlight, the air filled with the excitement of new beginnings. Our brand new school building stood gleaming, a promise of the countless adventures to come. As we gathered outside, Ms. Rapo and Ms. Jansen greeted us with welcoming smiles, their enthusiasm infectious. An incredible journey was bound to come. In second grade, I was filled with a mix of nerves and anticipation as I took my first step into Miss Gustafson's class. Her gentle guidance made every lesson a joy. Third and fourth grades brought us to Miss Pipponen, whose creative spirit opened our eyes to new ways of thinking. By fifth and sixth grade, Miss Lara challenged us to push our boundaries and believe in our potential. Transitioning to middle school, the hallways were filled with new faces and a cluster of new challenges. The pace quickened, the subjects deepened, and we learned to navigate a more complex social world. Seventh grade passed in a blur, and suddenly we were eighth graders, grappling with the heightened academic expectations and a greater workload. And now, here we are, 9 years later, ready to embark on our journey into high school. 9 years later, the future stretches out before us, full of promise and potential, waiting to see what we will make of it. Administration, teachers, parents, staff, fellow students, and most importantly, the class of 2024. My name is Utsav Chaudhary, and I'm honored to stand before you today as the ESCO International School 2024 Student Council President. One of the reasons I ran for this position was to speak to you today, to address the school one final time. But as graduation day approached, the weight of what I had to do began to set in. How could I possibly find the right words to capture the essence of these 9 incredible years? How could I convey all the emotions, the highs, the lows, the friendships, the lessons learned? Standing here now, I realize there's no perfect way to say it all, but I'll try my best. Here we are together, ready to celebrate our journey, and I couldn't be prouder to share it with all of you. I want you to think back to when you first started school, the first day, the introduction to the energy. Think back to this. At the start of each year, teachers often ask us to describe ourselves in just 3 words. I've always found this task quite challenging. Summarizing yourself in 3 words is often impossible. Every time a teacher asks us to do this, I conveniently left to use the bathroom for the next 15 minutes. However, after many hours of pondering, if I were to summarize the last 3 years of middle school in 3 words, they would be friendship, failure, and future. To start with friendship, 7th grade is a tough year for many. Adjusting to a new school, new classes, and new people is challenging to say the least. I was blessed to be put into a class with my old friends, but I was also blessed to meet so many new people who became some of my closest friends. The memories, laughter, and joy we shared over my class over the last 3 years were incredible. Thank you, 9E, and a special thanks to our amazing class teacher, Erika, who unfortunately couldn't be here. But there is no friendship without family. Thank you to my mother, my father, and my little brother, Luna, for always being there for me, no matter what. In addition, a special thanks to my friends, Adnan Al-Sabag, Nikhil Gunturu, Momin Naeem, Jayprakash Vakalaganta, Laisha Trish, Shakir Mohammed Shabdeen, Gabriel Boykodin, Ismail Assad, for all shaping who I am. To add, the support of the Student Council leadership team, Rakshi Gandhu, Jia Anand, Shrestha Balaji, Timothy Kulov, and Momin Naeem were crucial in having a great school year. These experiences of friendship go beyond my friends, beyond 9E, and beyond the school as a whole. Everyone here has something to cherish in terms of friendship. Whether it be the past, the present, or the future, friendship has and always will have an influence on our lives in the best way possible. Now let's talk about failure. This topic is often overlooked, especially during a day like this, a day to celebrate our successes. But it might be the most important of all. 8th grade is academically the most challenging. The workload seems almost insurmountable at times. We face numerous tests, projects, and presentations that push us to our limits. Everyone in this hall has experienced the feeling of not getting the results they hoped for, both academically and beyond. But it was through these experiences that we learned our most valuable lessons. Failure taught us resilience, the importance of perseverance, and the understanding that setbacks are merely stepping stones to success. We learned to support each other during tough times, to seek help when needed, and to never give up on our goals. Failure taught us the value of hard work, dedication, and strength. And even though failure feels horrible, we need it just as much as success. Thus today, do not fret or be upset. Be proud of what you have accomplished. Be proud of the people around you. Learn from your mistakes, and joy is bound to come. Finally, the future. For the first time in many of our lives, we have to start looking ahead. Where do we want to go? What do we want to do? Who do we want to be? In the mind of a 9th grader, these thoughts are constantly circulating. Everyone knows the anxious feeling, the butterflies in our stomach that arise due to uncertainty. However, the future is just as exciting as it is worrying. As we stand on the brink of this new chapter in our lives, the future holds endless possibilities. Whether it be high school, vocational training, or any other path, we carry with us the confidence that we are well prepared to face whatever comes in our way. Our future is bright, and it is up to us to shape it with the same determination and unity that have brought us this far. I simply ask all of you to follow your dreams. Never let the fear of failure ever stop you. For some final remarks, I won't yap on for too much longer because you're all probably excited to get your report cards, or maybe not. But to my fellow graduates, let's remember that our journey doesn't end here. The friendships and connections we've made will continue to support and inspire us. Let's take the lessons we've learned from friendship, failure, and our collective experiences to build a better future for all. To all other students in this hall, I implore you to keep the lessons I've touched on before. Value your friends and family, learn to accept failure, and look towards the future as a beacon of hope, not gloom. The world is a time of hardship and struggle. Wars, conflicts, and climate change plague our surroundings. However, I have no doubt that you will all make excellent leaders in this constantly changing world. Each of you making a difference, one step at a time, building a better future for us all 9th graders when we're slowly living in hope. To teachers, administration staff, and parents, your unwavering dedication and support has been instrumental. Thank you to Ms. Rappo, Mr. Thompson, Mr. Germo, Mr. Bilbinen, and the school club, especially for your dedication to running the school, the student council, the mentors, and so much more. Wait, 1 second. In addition, thank you to all the wonderful teachers at EIS. You've all been fantastic, and I would not trade my experiences with you all for anything. Unfortunately, I do not have the time to mention you all by name, but you will forever live in my heart and in the hearts of thousands of students all across the world. You've been our mentors, our guides, and our cheerleaders, and we're deeply grateful for everything you've done. I wish you all luck in trying to beat the 9th grade next year in the baseball competition. As we celebrate today, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible community we've built. This is not just the end of an era, but the beginning of many new adventures. Let's cherish the memories, honor the lessons, and embrace the future with open hearts and minds. Together, we will change the world, proving that EIS